Today, we are demonstrating the South African Rappel, or South African Abseil, a descending technique that requires only a rope. Hello, everyone. I'm Jason. Today, we're talking about a mountain skill that I would categorize as for emergencies only, the South African Rappel. It allows you to get down an alpine face when you have nothing but a rope. Why would you ever want to do this? Well, I can think of a few reasons and have experienced one of them, although all of them collectively range from highly unlikely to rare. First, maybe your hardware got damaged or lost. In alpine environments, stuff happens. Things get damaged or swept off by avalanches, rock, or carelessness. Second, maybe your harness gets damaged. I've had a friend who once had a marmot chew through his harness as it was stored outside of his tent overnight. Thankfully, he no longer needed it at that point. Third, and this is the one I've experienced, maybe someone else needs a rope assist. On a very popular mountain above 14,000 feet in Colorado, I ran into a couple of guys who were stuck because they had ascended a section in sketchy conditions with a snow glaze, but didn't feel like they could get back down. They were too big for me to get my harness around them, and I only had runners, no nylon webbing for an improvised seat harness. And fourth, maybe you're bailing off a route for which you were originally planning to summit and walk off down a different route. The surprise rappel of your ascent route is eating up your gear as you place nuts, sling horns, etc. Eventually, maybe you run out of gear. Okay, so how do you do it? Take both strands of a rappel rope, place one under each armpit. Cross the strands behind your back. If you have your pack, use it as a buffer between you and the ropes. Then, bring each strand around a hip and then together through your legs. Take both strands to one side. You can add friction by doing an arm wrap if you choose. And control your descent with the hand holding the rope. Like any technique, I would recommend practicing in a more controlled environment before taking it outside, and then working on it some more before you really need it. Thanks for coming to the end of this video. Please hit that like button to help us get this video in front of others. Please ring that bell and subscribe, and you can check out our website at shortguysbetaworks.com to find gear lists, all of our videos, and additional thoughts and information. So do you have any favorite emergency techniques that maybe have gotten you or someone you know out of a bind? Let us know about it in the comments. We'll see you next week, and keep on getting more out of that big outside.